Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. I want to first start by saying thank you so much for all the support you give me on this channel. I really do appreciate it, and I do know without you I would not have a channel at all. Thank you so much. Y'all, I must tell you, I am not a news reporter. As you've seen, if you watch my channel, if I was a real news reporter, I would be on ABC, NBC, or CBS, Fox News, or one of the other news networks. There's a lot of people on YouTube trying to pretend to be news reporters. We're just YouTubers passing on information. And I try to do the best job I can. I try to go down the middle and not be too biased on one side, but here lately, it's been kind of hard to do that. Y'all, I do my research to get information for you, and then I put it in my own words and deliver it that way. I hope you like the way I do it, but I also give you my opinion also. That's something a real news reporter should not do. You know, I was thinking about the people that were saying Joe Biden's stimulus plan was too expensive. It cost too much. He was spending way too much money. He was going to spend like $3 trillion when in fact he's only going to spend $1.9 trillion. Well, I was thinking with the Reconciliation Act, he could have made it $3 trillion if he wanted to, and it would still pass. So you see, Joe Biden is not frivolously spending money, because he's got a pass to spend the $3 trillion, $4 trillion if he wanted to, and then use the Reconciliation Act. But he's not doing that. Y'all, I believe Joe Biden knows what he's doing. I can only hope and pray. We don't know. He's not president yet. He will be in just a couple of days, though. But wouldn't that be a novel idea to have a president that really knows what he's doing? It's been so long. Chuck Schumer said yesterday, when they wrote the CARES Act plan, we all thought the COVID virus would be gone in just a couple of months. Well, it wasn't. Therefore, a lot of things was left out of the CARES plan. That is why Schumer is so happy with Joe Biden's plan. More people will be getting the help that they need, and it will be covering more things than the CARES Act did. In a memo from Ron Klain, he is Joe Biden's chief of staff. He talked about the executive orders that Joe Biden will implement after he takes office. And the one that stuck out in my head the most, I guess, was I can imagine how these people feel, is reenacting the border families. As of now, families that comes in the United States illegally are separated when they are caught. The parents will go one way, they'll be shipped off to God only knows where. The kids will be separated and shipped off to who knows where. And for a lot of these families, they will never see each other again. This is so barbaric that the United States of America, the best country in the world, would separate families like this. Just tear families apart. What Joe Biden is going to do will reunite these families. At least while they're waiting trial or waiting to be deported or whatever it is they're going to do to them, at least they will be together. Joe Biden will fix this, and I say good for him. Should they come in the country illegally? No, they shouldn't. They should do it legally, but they should not be tore apart like that. That is just, you don't fix a wrong with a wrong. Joe Biden said that wearing masks has become a partisan issue, and yes, it has become a partisan issue. Most people that refuse to wear masks are Trump supporters, and they're doing it in support of Donald Trump. Not all. I did not say all. I said most. It is a fact that if we wear masks from now until April, we could have saved 50,000 lives. Isn't that worth a little bit of uncomfort just to put a mask on your face? It's so easy to do. I wear my mask every time I leave my house. Excuse me. On this, I would say, now I know this is going to make some people mad on both sides. I can't help it. This is how I feel. On this, I would say, make mask wearing mandatory. The first offense being $500 fine. I bet you with a $500 fine, they will learn how to put on a mask, and it wouldn't be a second offense. And I would go further, and I would say if you don't get a vaccine to help kill this virus and get our country and the world back to normal, if you don't get the vaccine, it's free. It don't cost nothing. But if you refuse to get it because of stupidity, that's it. That's the best way I can put it. Because of stupidity, you should not get a stimulus check. And any government assistance that you get should be cut off until you show proof of a vaccine. Y'all, the only way we're going to beat this COVID virus is to do the right thing. I mean, I'm sorry your choice of president lost the race. But it's not about you and who you support. It's about saving lives. Now, I know after saying this, I will lose subscribers. But I had rather lose subscribers than to lose more lives through COVID from people refusing to put on a mask and take the vaccine. Today, Vice President-elect Harris will resign her seat in the Senate 2 days before being sworn in as Vice President of the United States. On this coming Friday, then it will be President Joe Biden will have his cabinet take any actions they need to deliver the relief package to the American people, so the American people can get this help as fast as possible. Joe Biden does not want to use the Reconciliation Act to get this package through, but he will if he has to do it. The one person that could be standing in our way of getting this through very easy to get the help to the American people, well, you guessed it, that would be Joe Manchin. Joe Manchin believes that stimulus checks is a waste of money. He believes that the stimulus package in general is a waste of money and time. But yet he is the one that voted for sending all these billions of dollars to other countries. But he don't want to help you and me. We're Americans. We're the ones that gave him his job. Y'all, please remember him next election time. Y'all, on the Reconciliation Act, if Joe Biden uses this act to get the help to the American people as fast as possible, he is bypassing anything that the House says, anything that the Senate says. We know the House will go along with him. We're not real sure about the Senate. But if he uses this act, that could be placing a wedge in between him and the Senate. And we've all seen what wedges can do, because Donald Trump placed a wedge between him and everyone. Then he became a sitting duck. I mean, he could not get nothing done. Everybody was against him on kind of the wedges that he put in place. I don't think Joe Biden will go that extreme. But y'all let me know in the comments what you think about this. Will Joe Manchin change his mind? Will he stand in the way? Will we vote him out next time? Pat Toomey is another one that needs to go next time. Y'all, there's enough hate to go around for everyone. But hadn't we had enough hate in this world? Can't we reunite everyone? Can we forget about the red states and the blue states, the Republican Party, the Democrat Party? Can't we just be good Americans? Can't we just love one another? It's okay if you don't agree with me. I may not agree with you. That's okay. That's our right as an American. That don't mean we can't be friends. That don't mean we have to hate each other. This world has enough hate. We need to reunite our country. Get rid of the lines. Y'all keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He's going to get us through this. And I really don't think it's going to be that much longer. I know it will not be as long as it has been. Y'all, I love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. And I will see you next time. I love you. Ciao.